I made this room divider and I'm pissed off. There are a lot of things wrong with this and there's just a lot of flaws. This is the first room divider I have made, and yeah, it's like okay, and I am going to keep it. I'm not going to scrap it. I think it cost me like $200 something because of the wood. It was mostly the wood price, but I'm just going to walk you through the things that did not go well. First off, there are a bunch of holes still, even though I used grain filler. And then the paint is chipping and it's kind of powdery. I used lime paint and it was my first time using this type of paint. I primed it, let it sit, and I don't know, I didn't seal it. Maybe that's why it's chipping and just like rubbing off. But I'm not a fan of the paint job. It was poorly done. Next are these dowels that I put on the sides of the boards. So this first pair I staggered. I don't know if you can tell, but I staggered those. And then I completely forgot that I staggered them. And when I put these boards together with the dowels, I made sure they were right in line. So the board has staggered elements and then very inline elements. So you cannot tell, but this board here is actually different than these two boards. I don't know what the fuck happened. I know this because these two are slightly heavier than this one, and because this one is a little bit thinner, when I was drilling into this board, I slightly went diagonal and that caused the screw to, it's in the back, I did that on purpose, but in the back there's a screw slightly peeking out and that's dangerous. But I was debating whether to scrap this board completely and just do a two panel room divider, but I wanted this to cover this most of the walls, so I needed the third, and I was going to spend another however many dollars on another board. So yeah, and the whole reason I made this partition room divider is because I took out our bedroom door over here. It was getting in the way functionally and I got rid of it. It's in our closet and we needed something to go in front in case we have like people over and we don't want our bedroom to be on display. So I couldn't find one I really liked or that was affordable. So I decided to make one myself, and that is how we got here. I did put like little cushion bottoms underneath the board so it's not scraping the floor, but I will be moving it in front of the doorway here when we need the privacy for our bedroom. But yeah, that's my first room divider.